nyame atomo chinechi 1st September Provident Healthcare say make sure say we start free screening na so ye enne from enne kwani na free screening from 1st to 31st of the next month September to Miss Russian soon na owasewase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church ehonomo na behu Provident Healthcare oye awanwaso pa oye nema pa nro enne video de be gu na so ye honomo nya asem ketua to Miss Rawa bomode so be ko na so ye na onfa cardiovascular monitor ne fanhwe ni peduem micro breast cancer monitor no fanhwe ni peduem no hwe internal organs be bia yare hye na otumi etu ase emfa man na osaso be mka cho se otriti yare bi ti se memory loss se bi previous obi a na dwe ho aka kakra na ye kasam kakra bi jena na ne refi na sefo yina obeboa o spinal cord no sisi ene wo kon hawa Mr. Fakọ Provident Healthcare sexual infection any infertility or banner bema untumi enya bema nkwa na ntumi wo ema ne bi so ono mo ntumi wo Mr. wa Fakọ na kwakwaje wo de na asthma any prostate cancer typhoid any hepatitis ne malaria hawa ni na Providence Healthcare Mr. na so ye no wasewase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church the number no 0248 422864 0248 422864 and 0506 830210. Make out say Konongo or Agogo station one more opposite the Ghana Commercial Bank. Saso and Abogoso opposite the Krobo Fitting Shop. A honomo and a bit to me, Abuana Bibia so to me at the amount. Then I say, so I started to talk into Mr. You be here say, Benya blocks, Papa, near the sea dying. Blocks are a meche na a bit to me, my dino, it's me, Jen, and that's what ye pa. Empower super concrete blocks. Blocks are who do na concrete are who do na roofing sheets are who do na or we na be our na so your beni na kama pa at the amount. Or you tried and tested Ghana for Aginatum. I'm a young who say yes. A honomo and nebia, you bet me a quarter your blocks near the Juma. A honomo you bet me a bibia. Roofing sheets are who do on the blocks are who do pavement blocks as a road cave and road tiles, a tile block. Blocks bia, your pebia, say 6 inches, say 5 inches, say a hollow block, say a solid block. Empower some make a say, and yet I want to show your honeymoon. And the chance that done so dear. Obenya da Jenny Wakofi, Aquaco Susu, at the amount of your Bible boss. So no mistake, you cry. Empower some make a choice a coin in here. Friend, I was 0271 144 444 0271 144 444. Let me be assured to me 0208 396424. 0208 396424 or was Santasia Prekwane so bebu hono mwa eno wo friend obenya da je ne wadi nkomo na bibia so timi akoye e de amba we na no pay na ma me ka fo ba say yenum so papa nsu abetimi ama ya hoden unse so bi hono ma onum ya na akonya typhoid misra wa the tried and tested ene ne FDA fo agiatum e zet natural mineral water eno efebi ni black man so ye mesi nsu we emu ya krogin 100 meters feet down and yet me to some now with doko say a man so crutching every one more and and watching the assassin their far abefu fidiemu and make sure say in swimming we are crutching pa so near come pa and how and the kawabia and fam road dipediano it me sawa ushia set natural mineral water to be known because Food and Drugs Authority for Jatum Saso and a Ghana doctors in Jatumu it me sawa open the door to 0244 620294 0244 620294 Saso na bet me afre 0208 183018 0208 183018 and no ya zet natural mineral water e su krojia bibia wo me betimi aboa na bibia so timi akoye e de ama na me ka form say the home of exquisite designs and colors Alaska Star Enterprise. Oh, the home of quality original wallpapers, and it comes with exquisite designs and colors. Interestingly, it is coming from Germany, Spain, Canada, US of A, Denmark, Sweden, Italy, and a host of other beautiful countries. Alaska Star Enterprise, some country of Semrena Nyaso, say banks are hodo, institutions are hodo, and Jumakua hodo be the era of painting the trim. The Ohian is Alaska Star Enterprise, no Kwakwaje. Wallpapers, original wallpapers. Let me be a certain Yakoye Eddie Amam. Now, some cow say or bed sheets or blanket curtains or original curtains or TV strip lights or epoxy chemicals or senso waterproof chemicals or stickers or bibia wana so ye to be sawa bobodi aso be kwa dum Mrs. Anoche Plaza honomwa I be Prudential Plaza honomwa na benya bi ato okwa na pe ba ko beton di amount okwa na pe do so pu beton di amount ne bo fufu pa na baba freso 0554 114878 0554 114878 and 0268 41 9596 0268 41 9596. The home of quality original wallpaper center. Alaska and King Alaska Star Enterprise. Mami come from us a weekend there, ya be na Wednesday. Yambo Thursday, Friday night, 1J. Of course, Friday night, 1J. Na yake kakweya na yehia sebe kwakwada La Quinta Lodge. Yes, La Quinta Lodge na make up for the amount of pain. Say, baby, I will be as a woman can. La Quinta Lodge is the place to be. A beautiful, spacious environment. The state-of-the-art equipment and, of course, facilities are a bois, a man, nipa oda wasumujo. Na odo kadu kum rabu honwa pe. On peso biabe who hide out. You crew who edema. Almost have breakfast or mini bar room upon request. Bibia Wi-Fi there free of charge. Swimming pool saso and a more spacious place. Event be a person ye be a wedding, outdoor engagement. A year nasu for you now. Our double room, our single room, or saso other facilities. Bebre. La Quinta Lodge ebe offer and anopen. It is Mr. Fred 0533 844 244. Hey, bear 40 years new. 0533 844 244 and 0531 259 741. 0531 259 741. And no air La Quinta Lodge. Make a form on Kokoso. Na Udu Kokoso last stop on the White House. A hot one na behu La Quinta Lodge. Na Mesaka was a wonderful pa. Efo pa. And then the pay Kofi Asante so ba Jessica to. Hey, it is Mr. Star 439 hash. Star 439 hash. Mr. Star 439 hash. Star 439 hash. Star 439 hash. No one selected option number 6. Yes, number 6. Akoma FM. Star 439 hash. Star 439 hash. Option number 6. You better 5 Ghana cedis. Kofi Asante so better for me and Sasika. When you cry, then you're 200 Ghana. When you cry, then you're 200 Ghana. Mr. Star 439 hash. Number 6. When you cry, then you're 200 Ghana. Mr. Bomodia so better be an pay. MTN phone kwa. Ebet me at no more you can pay the good bottom. 5 Ghana cedis per any better for 5 budget 200. For 5 budget 200. For 5 budget 200. And no air cash out. Akoma FM. This is what we want to offer you this morning. Na Akoma FM, the biggest and the biggest ever event ever be hit Kumasi. Undoubtedly Nina Akoma FM Ashanti Marathon. Akoma FM Ashanti Marathon. Rafa so your pabu ready. Evans your pabu ready. Kofi Asante meshe shu mabie. In fact, obia wudze bibia Ashanti Marathon ebe baso 24 kilometers race and a year call Ewa Ashanti region Adamusi. Ye patronia to Tumrika, Ewo Krom Hanamu say na ye beji kona boyabo because Akoma from the Yaka, Yesia yo pa. Enti Akoma from Ashanti Marathon, Basso 27th October. Yes, and the whole my birth month, 27th October. Na ye Ashanti Marathon no make out sir. Mr. Bobodia be register. Are free of charge? Na chede guso nya chede kitwa. Sika guso ne nyama ye de be chemo nya sem kitwa. So last year sem okay. Ye che sika ne ye che product. Ye che product ne che sika. Ye che sika ne ye che drinks. Ye to che drinks sa. Ye che drinks ye che nyama ne che sika. Oh, obi oni 30 kura ye sika. Mr. Bobodi say obabe register a free of charge. Na make out say keep it hold was betime join be. Saso da corporate groups so betime be join be. Schools and individuals mo da bomba Akoma FM haram be forms. Free ye nyo kapra kura to kro dem. Na bra be register. Na person so yasne Mr. 0246 7660 0246 766060. Your media partners, Ayonia TV, TV3, and of course, 3news.com. Na bana sa won na mahojo runabout one mo amesrewa. We yesa wo pa hojo o twa runabout na ba bi omo yesa besi entertain no mo nyansi no. Hojo runabout one mo a. Udu one mo my filling station bi wo no mo gwa filling station. Oh, ehwa ya kama pa. Ehwa ya kama pa. Na mini be bia mo kwasa bo ba ni fi. Ema pe ni. Ema kokopa o. Sono pa no mugina. Eyi pump no ho mu bufu na dia ma. Mesrawa mo bie dia tum. Baby, I'm not going to fool now. Yeah, 1 liter cry say. 1 liter. Over a gallon back. Sisters in the 70 hand here in press. Be one pow and yes, I'm ketchup. But would one more? What on the yes, I shall be. What on the yes, I shall be. A better of be free of charge. 2 gallons, 3 gallons near the chow. And a bit of 2 gallons our more power to be so. Would do go filling station now and walk a whole run about one more. For Friday, you know, a honomo, Bora honomo, or Messamo come up. Now, make out say, or better 60 cars for free in 10 days. Free in 10 days. And no, about 600 cars. Sure, me say, remember t-shirt account, remember key holders account, remember exercise boots, Madia come and crack. Obesa so enya tuma ahodo Madia come out. Guess, what's that? Friday barbeso. It's me sawa, but more than so they were the better hold you run about. Now I got talk for and be a Kama pa na bibia so ntimi ko yi emfama Akoma 87 points na Kofi Asante ba beto adwumadi ne so e di amaye me no ka say Francois are you ready the regional organizer say din no ba 40 years ni Francois ye rade Jacobo be manya kwapa no ma example wanya kwapa no na batwe e de won kra Francois ye bo kwa ba bibia be fine.
Why are you scratching so fast on the Pepsodent box?
I want to be the first to enter the back to school promo to win exciting prizes for Kwame to school.
Awesome!
Yes, there are exciting prizes to be won instantly.
Is it only Pepsodent? So I start scratching.
No! Key Bar and Geisha are included. All you need to do is simply buy your favorite bathing soap that lasts long, Geisha, Key Soap, and multi-purpose bar with Ghanaian heritage, and your maximum cavity protection toothpaste, Pepsodent. Scratch panel and text to short code *844*40# to win exciting prizes instantly. If you accumulate higher points on all 3 products, you can win the ultimate rewards of 5,000 Ghana Cedis cash prize, a tabletop fridge, and 1,000 Ghana Cedis Malcolm shopping vouchers. There are over 200,000 rewards to be won. Redeem your prizes at any Unilever distributor's point. Anyways, promo starts from July to August. This advert is FDA approved.
Now.
Would you decline? Not me enjoy work if you hack a crash. Show wallpapers, any curtain blinds are, or dear design in the hall and in the rooms. Wash a shack designer, why you form hall, ne fair.
I know yet 3D epoxy design. Okay, Miss Row, baby, free Alaska Star Enterprise. Wallpapers, window blinds, different colors and sizes. Over more than 350 different designs. Or designer as a 3D, 5D, any 8D moral designs in nyinaa Ghana ha nyinaa Alaska pɛ ɔrɔmanfo tumi ko to dodoɔ paa tɔn wɔ hɔ fofofo chemicals yɛde treatment ɛkɔ designs ne nyinaa na dwosuo ne hɔ a sɛ asase wɔ meto no ne nsuo wase o
mekai paa
ase kra bi saa ɛtina ɛnkyenkyen ɛwaawa wɔ no ho nyinaa tantantan
na ba ne sɛn
mefrɛ Alaska Star Enterprise ɛna ɔmo de chemical ɛbɛtreat yɛ ɛde 3D epoxy ɛne wallpapers ɛbɛdesign yɛ a aha no ma afefɛfɛ nti ɛnyɛ nyamesom kora de wɔ me mu a anka mede gye nkɔɔfoɔ gasi o
na wɔn mo hipɔtee
Alaska Star Enterprise ɛwɔ Kumasi Adum Prudential Plaza opposite hɔ a Accra nso Tiptoe Lane opposite Circle Mall ɛne wɔ Kanshi NS Chemist dan no mu a ɛbɛ ne MTTD frɛ 0200 281 080 anaa 0248 315 258
Modie, bebia na makoto blocks na mudi siden. Hwe blocks ya Mason fo edi siden. Ni nyina frofro. Ye tumufo muntie. Meka kira wo se kwa Empower Super Concrete product for so ye. Wo munne ma cement ekɔ blocks mu ye. Ye de machine ai na ye bibia. Machine na mix mortar no. Machine na ane twa blocks no. Na wi ahye ne kama. Ana ne size no so de ye accurate. Open 6 inches, 5 inches. Anase open 5 hollow blocks, 6 hollow blocks, pavement blocks, road cave. Anase tiles blocks ubenya bi obi esidan ma kacha ne say onko Empower Super Concrete product aseye ehona mo blocks no eye papa Empower roofing fo a ede nchance papa ye de boden so abadwa so no wa mo kroya ana kofa blocks papa pai ede aba ahoto so ne say ye free delivery within Kumasi ya obebu ya ne Empower roofing ene di enhwane mu frɛ ewo 0271 144444 ana say 0208 3964 24 Empower Super Concrete product blocks papa pa efie
Yakrado na Akoma 87.9 FM eba be shake your cycle be say ye gidi butu Asante Marathon Jumate Paso Saturday
7th October 2023
we are the biggest ever marathon ya esi and was Asante Mantamwa Kumase and Apostle Kayos ya be registration na registration no obia timi baby and not to keep fake clubs corporate bodies schools individuals and ya busia fojina ebetimia baby wo pejumade wonchemu bia frey was
0246 766060
and our brother from desk of Akoma 87.9 FM ewo Kumasi City Mall main gate ni nso animu media partners TV3 Onia TV 3news.com and oniaonline.com Asante Marathon ebeye butu gidi obiama kwa
Akoma FM 87.9
right up for higher Akoma 87.9 FM I think you better maybe phone lines kakra but Francois mete on catch sit down now
Akoma FM 87.9
Francois hey Francois that maybe I can't do it
why would you Jack Kofi mi yari ekura no
hey Francois pacho wo de me ba Scano unya say go is it Scano mu chebi on other hotel mu chebi we chire ha mu chebi wo hini bi fie
oh Kofi
mu chebi wo ka bi mu
hey
yes
Kofi don't
hey Francois
Kofi bisro
hey na
Akoma FM 87.9
ba wo mi aba ye na wudi benkum ni fana chesa de da fom nam say hey uju Francois uju chese ye nyo den
Kofi so here
ya mi adom okay
what are these what
we are for Mr. President Mr. President, I address the president on Wednesdays. Until I look more distant to address the president.
Because
but me who watch it?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Most of times, you know, party you want to form.
Yeah.
And you move from it has region has partners. So we call it regional organizers. It was 6 constituencies.
Now also there were 47.
Wow. It is a called Graya. Almost agenda no.
You have the biggest
I'm telling
and
you.
a house in the deciding factor.
A house in the deciding factor.
Yeah, Bobo maybe I did a chance Asante region.
They be or how with me a region be with one day a call away.
Okay.
Because all come around, sir. It take you like getting to like 2 weeks. You be able to.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Constituency by constituency didn't come out where the air from. It's not easy.
No, but how boy you might do.
But
me worry and they say how all the executives almost mu declare more total support for one candidate. Now I said mu neglect
you sometimes make general statements. Like Kofi almost say you don't use one and use to generalize the whole thing. Kofi general secretary almost say what declare.
I'm talking about regional executives.
Oh, Kofi.
Kodia has
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Very powerful.
We are all comporting ourselves.
But as a regional executive, you won't comport to Muhosa.
Do you have any? Say you were 17 regional executives.
Yes.
But do we say as all regional executives? We here. Me check contact. Do all any
national regional executives. Regional constituency executives are not part of it. I'm talking about Asante regional executives.
Regional executives, yes.
I don't know, maybe it should be about 17 or so.
17. No.
And all of you almost all of you
Kofi
are for Bahumia.
Why do you say categorically? Say
Akoma FM 87.9
almost a fraction of few. And
Kofi,
okay, now why not? Alan by road
Kofi,
yes.
When we say we are talking about the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, right from day one, from ever since the Vice President became the Vice President, Oba Asante mantem biana, mandatory.
Okay. Say Mudinechi.
As maybe you could be a sort of the call. Hey, as President Ba.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
What am I can I say?
Okay.
That is the duty. Maybe you could be a chess out in the call.
Okay.
Yeah. Vice President by Senam.
Yeah, I heard Senam.
Along the line, mediatory.
Okay.
So what am I can I say? Say, Obia Eba. Now draw officially.
So
at the bad regime say, what bad regime? What person or constituency A, B, C, regional executives. But seeing women seeing they more company me could be. I said yes.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
It is a what about your plan that?
Okay.
Say or person or constituency and once we notify. Could be when you notify the region. And no one would tisima. One can say constituent region and no day enco.
Okay.
Any different. Why had the plan was drawn on one itinerary. So we call A, B, C, D. And also we call A, B, C, D. No. Could be onya bo mania so we call A, B, C, D.
Okay.
So such choice will say. Oh, make A, B, C, D. No. May ya
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Accompany me.
Okay.
Is the regional chairman who would then appoint, say, oh, and yeah, say, you know, grant me inquire, assume see,
and coordinate
in I see. But what make an answer? Oh, no, one or the preferred person,
candidate, individual. So, how are you preparing for Deni Monet, Wacheja Cons runoff? Omo the directives about modalities somewhere.
We say, I think say neck Asia. Next year, National Council, so the highest decision body is where they
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Minimum say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
So I'm told say on the 2nd of September, right? It's the 2nd of September. It's the final one in after the NEC and National Council meeting today, you know.
Maminko Western Region, as we speak, Wasa Memfi district and constituency from Sefshibekwai, Ubefemwa, Kupia Sankregwa, Manso Memfi, and that enclave. About 26 communities, biggest ever demonstration are Ebasu. Omunina demonstration against the government over bad and terrible rules.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Okujamai anopay Benjamin Edu, the producer of Marco P. Western Region. Almost some of the videos about. Ben, Bibi Abakode. Okay, now which in a him fast here as we speak.
Kofi Sabe ameno kasa idea yegina wasa dominance here. Demonstration after the Ennin Yama ye 40 say it's probably 20 days I work Amenfi Central, I work Western Region. I'm a young and yes, Obukwanya Tepa here. I work Abaya and Farmer Obwa. Yeah, and so me demonstration.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Ube PMO improve the dominance Eja Kama so Empotemo Kofi Yananti yetole say Amantia West Amantia South Omokwanye na kwan we dey Kofi Obi
Bebacho video Ben video awode baye video awode abay efri video awode abase sia ya efri hifa
enu no free efri Eja Kama so ekwa wasa dominance no dan kwan na omona so sa kwan no hu video ni try a me dey baye na Kofi ekwan ne ba kura enye ba kufra se what is the compare the one man
87.9
I was the one man said no yes man said the any heaven pa ha the any kenye motorbike bi na obenya ana se kia truck dia e ben pa so with me the saloon car so we ben see office Kofi usin fa we see
enti mo ya de na mutimi de car ne ko
Kofi edu ba bi no motorbike ne bam e na ye de ahoma e ma action yeah so omo pickers bia galam say for mo around no and so we na ka ho no mo demonstration because omo nyina pa afan so bi e don picker bi na dia homa bi so na action yeah car na tumi bedu wata do na say
Jesus
and yes am pa de na say what also the saloon car pa na eba kwa we so a eden pa dia na de omo amaka dia anya adwuma okwan so amaka na omo dan kuye wo ekwan so nyina no omo amaka dia anya adwuma okwan so asabre enko to ti say dominance Eja Kama so any nkom tenkete na omo faka o dominance Eja Kama so no ka ni nyina pake a block road na ka bia nko ka bia ma on be se obi ehu se omo ani bre sempa na omo ye no on be se obi ehu se fan na asey no e ya bia on be se Ghana mpanifo hu se omo bre e wo kwan so na go bi enfudi a efiri aha sei e kota kwade na important ekwo wase kopon important no ekwan ya sai no ama ekuafo mo kwan so afo mo kan say da bian enu ba ya omo ye no esai esan se omunya ka emfa ntwa omo ni ama emfa nko ena koko kura san ye Ghana ye say ye koko samai dia kodi wo for price no edos chen ye nti no chen ye nti no ama dodo na omo ben efiri ase ne ko franch bodala no so no dodo na do mo koko no koko di wo esan say enya ade o metumi asoa ade akọ marketing centers na wey case wo ma koko kai for no metumi ato no etina asema ho na ya asem kete pa ya agowi sa kwan we die in fact ya too quite ba sa kwan we die educate
so anope o ma start demonstration no
why am look at demonstration as ya ene na nam inkrasi na e kwan na se nyan na be do kwa edu a ki anu kwa o ma han na o me do mo ma che si ma e koro Bible ya bedu akra ba ku biase ta kuro no kojo kuro horo ki anu entri nkwa omo take na AC form apa form no nyina adwane other demonstrators no and very soon be a machine si amotene enka o machi monte machine ni bie ebe esan say ka na the machine ni ko enkom kitenkete no so no ka anu entri nko bie because I'm so be boy I'm so asan so asa e kwa no pra ama ahanomo aye asemokete ba nko bi so the last week e ma ye 40 say enkuroto a ewo Amenfi Central no wo me so be demonstration for mo ye the last week that because of MPP delegate conference ni no o mo entri anye e no mo de share na police for no ye say the baswa o mo tumi nya o mo enkola mo tumi boa o mo ma ye mfa ye entri ye etina na de ade na nya baswa so na me no ka fara de esetenka obi a wa habi
okay.
Before I do a sodom last year, I packed a can over. Okay.
Okay.
Yen you know I am from here no more ticket.
Mami
na now be for Mike. Yen you am from a you demonstrators next year. Yeah, pop on gratin one after the other. They are my mama penny who said they were fine. I said, almost a baby bar. And now a year I'm a fit central. Almost Minya, Nipati, and Mamma abandoning. Then so I won't show much in my head. I find a woman I said for 4 times. Here for Aqua, no air Bank of Ghana. Almost said, Kofi was not to more. Or buy and went to me more and 5 moments and you're almost fine. Any time so, and the rollers. Then deputy minister of rules and only job is here, Juma, also every at that time also. Or also to me, I said, yeah, or my crying, or want to enter and from my woman. Now, what else should be quiet? Now, but I am a first uncle and going to so I will do the boy say, and some of the time also, make catch also Kofi, a fine and a horror. A never say, cry. Who sempa year, okay, a modern work, we are 4 ball, okay, a modern ball, teacher for more higher boy. Teacher say, I don't want to one can say, a minor who drop, a good who go into next half and come to me as a people, but because some of back more, card won't be nearby community, no matter for. Ben
Mayenya wo na midday ye besan atoa so na ye organize bibia wate china ne yabom enti I wish you all the best mo yam ho so yi right for wasa Amenfi district demonstration the biggest ever and more ye reporters every Kumasi akwa kupie ho a Benjamin Edu ono ankasa edi akire Zuba good morning. Some no we me ko Zuba so.
Woni ma wie say.
Some no kan na
ye wo makwa ba ye kan say edi nkomo. Prekope wanya call. We say wajai say nkomo ye di wo ma ye me. Ba kra wo hye na makwa ba ye.
Wa ban na aba.
Aba we.
Nti wa kan dey wi.
We ya asem.
Opposition for bread.
Na we dey on wa be ka Zuba. Kati panimu na kasa kra. One no wo pel sa about the comeback of the return of Dramani Mahama. One no cry no say the Ghana for a petty road in Twinkie.
Francois Sikaba Butuma one wedding.
A man one
Sikaba Butuma one wedding. No, me there's a jabba. Where did you
beat your bonti?
Oh, Jai. One end some didi.
Ubit your bonti.
Casabia Kofi Mani Dibi.
No be any D. Ubit your bonti 80. Ebia. Maybe free.
Maybe who cry more?
Maybe free. We can't use magic taku and go to four.
That's all man is kakotofu.
Me magic taku me and go
where the kwajitaku.
Now, this is what can you? I will be among Mobogovi.
No, I never home, but now what's our Yamobo? Wasa Domina say 26 communities.
87.9 Kumasi.
Are they?
Saturday, Mampenika's Omante.
Oh my God.
The Ghana Mampenny, your can remember that. Omantiana. What's it? One young trend you bar after 2025 no be here free. And if I can say we are here demonstration.
That's why I addressed the president.
Any part that you at a child was me going so good. Emum or da what to know ye mum
FM 87.9
na mum na ona ya no bopuluma onte na wasanda na ubom sana kuwa do situation akokwe why say mum wada watopum ya mum pum eti ade omo ye me de omo temi kan bia nkofie no mo kotwen de adada kuwa do kan no si say ye nhwe enyi ayetosom ye nu agene se wa ka tire pin se wonu oni hweye enipa na o ka kire se obetim de 18 months a transform Ghana no aka 16 months enipa ozo betim de 18 months aso was say problem no ontimi so anu ko agene sem ebiri na ni so wo hu se wasa wo ntwa no ma akufu ado abo Ghana ka munya demonstration no munkofie ne simple anyi na araba Kofi esi anyi ya araba ade bia koso gabon wate
Yes, another that is all my stories. Who did that?
Karl Marx. Or Kasimbi.
Okay.
I'll say there is a class in itself.
Yeah.
And a class for itself.
Okay. That is the bourgeoisie.
Abria. One year or one be realize say, sa 1 year or more one year you were on your one best as I can cover what ya 1 year or mama and it is a clarion call that is permeating through African countries, and African leaders must be sensible. The useless organization ever is AU and ECOWAS. Or say Guno. I say, you want a copy. First, not your organization of African Union. And you who say, you are my above my European Union. A honey also say, as your copy.
African Union.
African Union. Just change name. You have Kate Bia and Tom. You need qualification. Kate Bia, a qualifier will be Quasebia, Pijano, no could be about Fumbia, no abe EU member. EU no. Nancy Estonia, near Geo Motum. Your criteria will seek us, and was she said, do baby. She acquired Greece if I some be a member of EU. As we speak, I did interquapa by Ukraine, Russia, and tell me ye, or more a power, more person be 1 EU country, not 2. On Baba Baye, a friend is a NATO member. Now, almost satisfy some of the conditions of EU, but up to now, they are still not a member of the EU. Turkey, Europe, they are not a member of the EU. Israel, Europe, they are not a member of the EU. There are qualifications. There are countries in Europe who are not members of the EU. They keep on admitting new members into EU when you meet criteria. And maybe Greece for and to Greece brought a plan for EU to get them a bailout. Yeah. Obia was a EU member. Obia was the and there's no check because there's no criteria. ABS your there's something that is going through French Africa. French Africa.
Okay.
Francophone African countries. So wave no, they must stop it. And this is about a canker on and the blood on democracies in the African continent. And say, no, any ECOWAS for normally there's an been a year Juma. And yet, and a moon to whom any of this stop. This is sanctions now. ECOWAS for their money, Jeff for now, and they genuine me and son. Now they do 20 cities. Yeah. Oh, Kwakoma, a Krubi sanction. The impact must be felt by them. And yet, who now woma sanctions?
And I will feel it.
I feel who now come sanctions. No, who more now feel impact and the Kumasi Jenny and son. 20 cities, we back 7 cities. Yet you drink it and Catherine say on some more at the moment 10 cities. What's your sanction? Say, Akoma sanction. Now, yeah, Akoma, yeah, coaching us from your mum near Triason. They must lift those useless sanctions immediately. Because more who says, I'm ECOWAS intervention, military intervention, more ma and I'm moving dry, Muntimin cop. Obia di Crosso since 1982. Yes, it's only go up kunyem for beer or that's what so man penny. What is me ECOWAS? Muntimin tunu for guys open with why beer. But you was why you be a jay. Because why you be at was for not for from. What you Munu never agree. Since 1982, the man has been president of Cameroon. Yeah, to about the look at the kinds of democracies I so. Say yeah to about Gabon. No opposition strongholds, no. Ballot box to crank. And yes, by the delay. And go. Yeah, my foreign observers and co. You're blacking out the whole country. You're disabled internet. Yeah, Bibia near the Gusu. Muslimu AU. When the thing started, you saw it. Omar Bongo, Eddie president. Oma Bongo edi president. No wa prepare ne ba Ali Bongo and wa ba bedu. Ali Bongo a prepare ne ba Nuruddin Bongo ono ye presidential affairs minister. Eti akwa wetwe no ho pe Nuruddin Bongo be ba ye president. Ne sister Malaika Bongo or ye mayor. Na ekonomu na nete. Yesu bo Gabon no. Na mo na wo gina bunkuma na wo gina nifa. And you see the hypocrisy of France for when they realize that one African leader, they are using him to their benefit, they will help him to perpetuate himself.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Unfortunately, because I did be a school, I won't go O levels. We are science student. One year government. Share the policy of assimilation. Be O levels of test.
O level.
Yeah.
Minimum. O level 1990.
Minimum.
90. A level 92.
Minimum. So level.
The best school.
Minimum. So level.
I run as a son of the course. Secondary, 1990.
New system, no.
1985.
Akoma 87.9.
So from 93.
Maybe a last batch of 6 form.
87.9.
Oh, last batch.
Maybe a last batch of 6 form.
Okay. That was which year? How was that?
Yeah, we 1996.
Yeah.
Yeah, we May 1996.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Ain't it? Yeah.
96, not 6 form.
So it came parallel to.
Yeah, running the parallel.
Okay, yeah.
Exiting 1996.
So I run is that day. A technical era scenario.
Any access for any run a parallel. The offer almost offer.
It's
But
government.
It can be the French system of assimilation. Now, yes, your cosmopolitan France. Now, Dakar. We contested crowd for elections in France, right from Africa. We thought that it was a good policy, such that it gave our African brothers an opportunity to become French. And you see that awakening is beginning to emerge within the young generation of Francophone Africa. And this I almost realize say, who penino, who person with your dynasty. Now, who told almost at the man France because we know you remember Omano. What I say, the class for itself, no, moody. The class in itself will react. And Medanyamia say, so what your military foreign statement, and almost say they are not interested in government. They just want to make sure that and conform or more cromona or more person they want to hold on to peace.
Military phobia.
Oh, yeah, wait, they know me again. Sir, ya to aba ni atwetwen ekuro ensa na edi oye yo baba de se yi Gabon president na wono di yo no body si nchen a na se military for the transfer for years.
87.9
so that the anger of the people as at now once the people are no more in government, the anger of the people will come down. They can hold Gabon all together. But I'm saying that it should be a call to Francophone Africa. Say, wave, the way AC corner, they must be careful. Look, it has happened in Burkina Faso. It went to Mali. It went to Guinea. It has happened in Niger. It is gone to Gabon. Gabon and Cameroon is a border. As we speak, Central African Republic as of far meeting in the cover this kind of president. So if you look at that particular region, the way that is going on, say and making a proper intervention at making sure that the structures of democracies in Francophone Africa is properly established. I foresee something happening in Cameroon. Foresee something happening in Cote d'Ivoire. If you look at Francophone Africa, the only place that has a proper democracy running is Benin. Apart from Benin, there's not one single Francophone African country that has a proper democracy. To say Ghana, I'm buying to miss a free pathway, no free pathway. And those of us who continue to do this have become an enlightenment for the other people within the African continent, and they are checking what we do in Ghana, in Nigeria, and other places. So they ask ourselves, why is it that we are able to do this in other parts of Africa, and in our own part of Africa this thing is not taking place? Can we take our destiny into our hands, shape the system a bit more? And it is not good. It doesn't say a good story about Africa.
Okay.
Say every time there's military interventions, just say you're doing your juma. You're in a traffic light, traffic do not police in Abidjan, it means that it's crime. They can't block it. What is wrong with this?
Okay. Mame intie menua Francois. Doc.
And somehow I drink a crack.
Gabon.
Oh, sometimes I ask myself, say, when you say, most people when they are coming like this, could be their justification and a cool protest, no, and a cool doers, no.
Yeah.
One more
System na oho ne papa nto mba bes.
could be so peace system no enye papa. What is the best way? The best way is say we go to abanago through the gun. Oh, sir, what is wrong is wrong, Kofi. What is wrong is wrong. What is democracy? Say, you say,
when God decided to wipe the whole of Sodom and Gomorrah and left 8 people.
I mean, so are you saying say it is say Nyakopon decided so or wipe the whole world to leave 8 people out? It you know say bibi koso na enya obi so fam running and some fat too.
Question: is there anything wrong? Because when the entire Onyankopon e wipe nkofo na wo so dem go mo nyano ja lot ne na bonia do kru no ama for onyame decided to say I just say or the kum esesa kro no na oni obeba after 8 na tiri no aba be di ye. God sometimes can destroy a whole nation just because of one person.
Akwaya say obi say enime bi enye ono de oba be ye ni ye no afetu no do see president konso simatu
because me the man no can
now what do you know can or how many years mandate
we call 2 terms
there's a 3rd term
since 1990 for about 60 years
now already about
53 years on any papa and already grown in nana
no but go system no omotuaba
ya tuaba abanu ya tu sesi
na abanu mutu ye na enwemu koso
onya 64.4%.
Na baby opposition one.
No opposition nya.
Ballot box anko. Eti dede bebe kromo nipa be wu. Soja fo ni ewezu obi anwu.
Obi ba on ensem hardwin. Me I'm not for cool yeah. You know, Kofi, do you know why I'm not for cool?
Yeah, so I'm not for cool.
The reason why,
especially in Ghana, but cool, we everybody Africa, because I'm in support one am.
Oh, I'm not for a cool. Kofi, cool pa, Kofi, cool. Kofi, now, yeah. Oh, say,
you don't wish for it.
Hey,
no, Kofi, unim.
Kofi,
cool. Yet Ghana has his here. Cool, bas is here. Yeah. I'm being honest. I have to be honest. Me the asemino etebia. Yeah, political class. No, any so far.
Oh yeah.
Sure, Kofi.
Cool back Ghana is here. Me to me imagine me can't you say me here in this NPP.
That be. Obi
a say almost to constitution ego.
Eno
what I say? It me kwa me question dem ba. Me mo bi a use me politician because omo chemia. Omo kwa me pa.
Ah, na say we say we am for ni mo fie.
Me come across.
So that's it.
Omegwa me pa. Enti me mpe. What I say? Na say tokro doa. Tokro doa.
Obi
agro titi ne agro we veni sayo. Si ya wo hwe na nye ye dia.
Obi
e wa Africa ha na nye ya so da formula.
Obi we yes central.
Se bi be ye bi nye.
Is there any way? Obi the o ka say ye to aba opposition stronghold.
Yeah.
She anything alcohol.
87.9
I think say the African leaders too should be up and doing.
That is exactly.
That's a good point. That's what I'm saying.
Say you it is a transfer in same be say see. What is wrong is wrong.
Good.
Yempeku we all agree. But what are we also want?
Say to about Ghana out vote already. Wo ma ballot to board some ma. Wallahi.
Say e bin crazy that. Say to aba. Kobi. No say sometimes we are not just say the nyamiase from 92. Day in and day out you keep yes sani meboa. First ni ni you pick.
The man pet no person dey question.
Oh, the mensa. Oh, there be to was. Ye nyina ye jojo meboa. Ye pe kwan a ye be fa so a. Ye be making sure say such issues na nyane. Emma, because it's becoming so many. Emma cry na I'm from Cramba say Kobi menta. Why? Say and then over country way. And never to Guinea. Yeah. But in Niger. Now after Gabon. Why?
François.
It's becoming so many.
See. America for more sanctions on Russia. There are things that Russia provides for the American economy. Sanctions, affect yeah. Europe, mass sanctions. What is all my gas supply sanction? Because they depend on Russia gas to power Omunkania. Would you say we African leader? Asamaba, one for experts and transit, and analysis of the situation, and come to a proper conclusion of the real things that has to be done. If you think I am sanction, you to be beautiful. I
personally believe that when a problem of that nature arises, it's incumbent on all of us to see how best. Because look, assembly went for the power. Yeah. Here on Namabontin streets. Now we do traffic light. Now who foreigners now? What we get it's scary. Yeah. Sir, oh yeah.
Central African Republic.
Niger. What we identify countries crown waiting. So there are some of them who cry. You don't even know which country they are coming from. A crime bass to say, "Woman go be."
Wingo say, hey, who could Ghana? Kwa kuta Ghana card. Na Wingo say, hey, who could Ghana card? I say, Asha Hwan kwa Ghana card.
So what you say?
Omo be and for so you see the difficulty is that when they come, your economy na yet so that they become a burden on our economy.
Yeah, could be burden there. You can't underestimate some of these things. Look, I see assembly anywhere funny pound. That's why on the pay. Your other issues to talk about, but yeah, Gabon, because look,
say nonsense na for era.
Yeah, 100%.
Na Michelle. On us and for shy. Na no 2 years say. We Asante ni.
Mo ni nko Asante ho.
Ko na so uni Asante ni ya dia.
Ya support no.
Ko bi ye bi. Nti ubo uni a enye bone. Nti ye ma ye ni nko ya Asante sem ho.
De bi na
ye ma ye ni.
E dey asem na Zuba e kan ya. Ase wo ya yera mi.
Asem na yeru akan. Nze yeru aya okasa okama.
Ko bi ko sire ya ko sire ho. Ayo ye ba ko sum.
On say yeru aya okasa gma Ghana nyina. Nso ho ma Ghana. Na wan pusi fo ne tie futu no. Asante so we are ammonia.
Morning Asante.
Morning Asante. Near Yamsum Pussy, you na lewi. Got you extol you. So we are managing Fene, Yafane.
What one
Pussy, such that. Over your alaya. You power do someone why suppose. No, I suppose.
As man, the honor where you mean Zuba now. Maybe food say, almost say a adventure. Meaning, one more election. No, so, Mama, you can't contest me. Even say, Doctor, you feel go for Kobe.
On one I would drive.
Kobe. But
he complained a lot.
Kobe?
The system number.
After the Ahuto project, Kobe, maybe radio station, Kobe, who not cast us. Sir, Kobi.
No
Mafia pa.
Obi a mo na no so.
Hey.
Kobi picture na o hu ni ye.
Me say.
Eno no atwe no.
Kobi. NDC is.
Abo so picture so nke kope kale de ababa so. Ye gusu ye hu adwuma na no. Wona nye kure.
Region Ben na.
Ya mo no.
Region Ben na NDC stronghold.
Asante region.
NDC.
Asante region.
Asante region wa.
Yeah.
In
terms of numbers.
In terms of numbers.
Asante region is strong.
Good. Anti kanto fo fi Asante mam. Asante matama. Region hey.
Sanka odie mu a ke be ya Asante sam na ma na ye fe. Se wa withdraw ke be ya Asante sam na ma na ye fe. Sanka du fo gina ya. Wa withdraw.
O se nka.
Ke be ya Asante sam no se.
Kobi.
Na mu de wa gina kosi.
Kobi. Kobi
wa Kobi pass wa ya pa.
Ai Kobi we enye efie ni pa.
That's wunya no edwa.
Na kasa.
E ba de
say wo a wo tenchen. Wo enye no kre. Kobi. Pio. Party no nti say no e wo 2 stages.
Okay.
First stage na say nipa 10 yen so ne somra 5. Number of people are yes super delegate. Omo 900 ekoto about 926.
Omo didi amen.
When did you me didi amen?
That's why I guess
me no mienu obi a oti opposition wa fro na to go say catch abe. What catch am say me didi amen.
Na bi opposition ajo me janka.
Kobi, me no mienu Kobi.
Hwede wa fro aye.
Oh,
so
Kobi,
you address the issue of just ended the election.
They just ended the election.
Yeah. The dynamics, the outcome,
fine. My main fact is to fambo the elections committee abaso right from the beginning and to say one my year from say among for picking one more nomination forms almost submitting.
I mean, Alan said he would not tolerate any of those. Sorry to use those words, nonsense in terms of
nonsense.
When you say nonsense.
No, well, now we come when saturation and Kobi.
Also no the course no nya de a obetima tolerate bi because na nkofo mo bo mo do.
Kobi to boase.
Munkala no talent
there were 17 polling stations.
So November there some muja there na emu gamu pa.
Oh, Kofi me say. Kofi me say you Kofi. Kofi Misro. Your 17 polling stations.
We are looking for the man with the showdown with allergy.
Issues. But about to 2 years. It's just some few places be and near area is see. Benekran not to that extent, sir. Oba ya Asante region has here. Ya to yaba or law faculty me yeah, to abani nyina was supposed to be a 119. Nipa mi I think say nipa mi na nya kwan ma meto.
Na da na e ballot.
Then
I don't know.
Oba na mini ho. But I'm told say so.
About 115. I'm surprised that he was
I'm told say I'm told say I'm so quiet. Minim say no onim time
e pass anyway. Ye no na akosi. Where so for akosi fu.
Kofi bisro. So it's yammo easy no so abaso. Yammo security agencies no so ayere abaso. I believe say 926 the go to abano. 926 no you year. One more.
Asante regional minister.
Oh, no, so because I mean.
Asante regional minister.
Zuba. Makasa wi. Wo nyina bo no abom mo obi akomporting hu.
Himself on that day is an exemplary man.
Kobi. Na the meeting
the video. Yeah. Drew no apejanensa. Monza chime. They are searching.
Because that was their protocol.
That was the protocol. Now here back could be a war, Sapa is Sapa so no fees away why. Hey, where's the commander? Tell your boys. I'm the regional minister. Nobody challenges me. What's your mind? Where
Bobby, I believe say Obia bon homode. Ye nyina no. Hwe Kobi security agencies no.
Yeah.
One more 3 different barriers. First one, only a packet car. Second one,
I mean, those ones are more to worry. Let's look at the outcomes and then the happenings and the aftermaths as we speak.
As we speak, this plan committee at Safra in Pabé 5,
including Rafa Safo Patrick.
What the make I say? Omako to Omano. Minimum years say they will give them a fair hearing.
Okay.
Now Omobusa Omo and near my course so Tia Omudin Abba say Ye Enton Sayane and Fro. They will get opportunity also to be able to speak their mind. In the year to year. Party no ekushia. Moving forward. And then just say nipa mienu first, second, third, fourth. First one Dr. Mahamed Dubamia. Only Yankees. It was mienu Canada on Japan. It was miensa Alan Chamatin. It was 9 your friend is saying a Greek minister, former Greek minister.
Yeah.
A free yakutu. 5th person no and above bracket. You're Adenimo any Wacheja. And no, and now by close of day, no, you will say, you but Thomas Waba, and I say, Rebecca say, oh, okay, young Thomas Waba, Unco, now, Omuka, 4 on Namunia 6 as against November 4. Minimum years ago, the age I say, at the end of the day, no, the way Omuna shall say with your campaign, conduct you no, between now and November 4th, no, Umbakoswa conduct okay. Message no should go to the party polling station executives, any electoral area coordinators.
Thank you.
And a constituency executive.
Zuba.
Obi, at the end of the day, no, it was seeing in Aka
Bugri booze tape. Yeah.
Negotiation being why bit my mom, you know, into one. At any mono, I buy will be and feed. Into no, or by a gentleman.
Very gentle.
Now, almost before back 5 1 can buy 87.9.
Yeah.
A Jacumbe can one or no better bomb. What I say, or no new for your boys and them. Omuno, Batman, I say moo.
Obesi.
It Omunya. Neck on Omba. It will not going to tell a Jacu to step aside is a no. And a Nippon Comunia can 5 no webber. It will be end their contest and there a bebasso.
Bugri
Nabu issue. Apart from so, the year position didn't mean issue.
Sir, you calling some Korean police for
I didn't fit to be
87.9 Kumasi.
Papa no coin or car say, and yammy voice. And yamia, Nanky here investigation.
You're also on one.
Was it me an American or more than premiers at the Tosso 9 American? It means that then Kofana dream power or more boy any other police in the tickets or Bobo Ghana or Bino. And you know the way you mean.
When you're Ghana is about the commander and nomination.
And I'm a person, there be only Yasa or say, more breaking the 8 now, more person breaking. On Pekwan was fast where he voted the breaking 8 or Pekwan used to police for the breaking 8. That's our IDP over the Mrasso. When you can breaking
87.9 Kumasi.
Et mo payen dia be boa ye ni mraso o se mo dia mo yi ni fina mo dia ba mo be hu dia besi na je se o wa adwumbone bi wo ni trim
e o tape nim
me wo bi wa
Kana police officers.
Yeah, that's what he said.
No, that's the Bugri na Bush.
No, that's what he said. Kofi, have the tape here.
Who? The police officers?
No, see, where they were a party nipa. No, kwa no mo ti say Joe Wise enko.
Yeah.
Say Joe Wise anko. Obekwa kwa dina be kwa cross we nya IGP na.
Etimo the way. So dina ne process ni na.
The process ni na.
Oh sir.
Akaka kebi no Kofi.
Ah. Mako be quite several times me who posters.
Oh sir.
Akaka kebi no. Akaka kebi.
Akwa bia na bobo ya nkofa bank.
Akaka kebi no call pension. So the assumption was that at the time say if the IGP na give you go benya contract extension no they are breaking 8 no. These people are not fit to be in uniform. Where you can talk about police station be or police station be or police station be MPP nya be NDC for nya be. What I say? Me who barracks be yakwa say you soldier o say police o MPP ni NDC ya score 0
obi enya
be to why it tells us and say political
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And it is so with every professional. Your doctor for abema enya bi emuze nya bi but won't make us your doctor ni me NDC ni ma ba hospital nti ubehwa ma mewu François lecture On Timin Kase, Obi a 10th president, KNUS. On Timin Chena.
And I'm a failure. It doesn't happen.
He has to be a professional. What I say? You at the China. Oh, Shakrano, but in MPP NDC. Same. It will a police ni, not politics. Who no, who bet me resign? Why? Can I lot advisor to President Kufuor? Me my madam for power. And to President Kufuor, but na name so MPP ni da.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Me call me come military academy pa after 6 form. Me enlistment number 176. Me could do medicals in ya. So I don't know call Lebanon. Na odimija one keneleje amfa. Nti me ko almost signal how Kofi ni say could be in Akoma or Lebanon. So because of that, the help you was giving me to Kabalisa come na Kenel Okovi. Me wa so jamba come na Kenel ka. And you see, but you see, in spite of the closeness that we have with him, I never got to know that or MPP ni person. That's a professional person. One them say we have had police officers but in the course of being in the uniform, please don't show it.
Police ni talk no answer when I resign or resign. Okay, MDC MPCC.
Watch me down. Watch him down.
I see.
Watch me down. Seat belt. What I say? Sa kwani NDC when watch me down 2021 year. Seat belt mo share mo see me seat belt. Watch me. What I say? 2021. Sa kwani NDC ni. But you see, that's a professional. Oh, and that is how they are supposed to be like. It is a share police for me as about you supu. But here, now say almost to professional. Now say almost adwin say young conquer politically biased, young disruptive. So no man di basabaseba other countries, you know. When you decide to work against the will of the people will work against you. And when the will of the people works against, sometimes it works through the military. We don't want that to happen in Ghana. What I say, we don't want a situation whereby now I say gap on for the NB. Now so Kofi say processes are also a firm with the Tuabano. Yeah, we want to restore peace. We don't want to get there. And we can only prevent these things from happening when we go by the strictness of democratic arrangements. Yes, say How?
What's your GhanAkoma?
How do you do this? Yenyanes ha. Yema pepe yo and the transparency and to that extent, I don't think Bugri Nabu has done anything wrong. At best, idea why he has saved Ghana. What you say? Me dear no. I am in the midst of MPP in the way. Idea Bugri Nabu ye no. Or say Bonnie Banabaso. Say one fast seven.
Yeah.
No record you nya dance here. You better imagine also there two animal. And they know the main pie and
I respect the relationship between a police force and IGP.
That is what they do. They don't. Akwana is a director of welfare.
Yeah.
So it means that he works directly with the IGP. It is somebody is my enemy. He wants to undermine administration, but he's a director for me. You might be Papa Pen or my IGP. That guy is not fit to be in office. He must be sacked. Simply that. On your feet, at Tayanation or in Guasia. What is that? They are not qualified. But you see, and they assume also Baba committee now. Every
supposed to be Thursday.
Watch now. Every almost because I know more.
TNT.
But I have no call. I have no doubt.
We need to wrap up.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
From Rollins time till date. Look at the various Obiaba no appointed IGP me from Rollins time.
Yeah.
From one Kofi, you know, from 1996.
Yeah.
On the time it appointed, then it came to 1996 October. Corona. Rollins appointed Namfuri.
Yeah, Peter Namfuri.
From 1996 to 2001. A free home and there's also for Kusubai.
Yeah.
From 2001 to July 2000. On the graduate. When you 1 year. If you are and another also in Sia, also by from 2001 to 2005.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then from Nana also in Sia, there came
microphone.
Patrick Champon.
Yeah.
Also there from 2005 to 2009. Then came from there on Urbano by Elizabeth Mills. On by Acting IGP. I'm so from 2009 January to almost some few months
Yeah.
to May 15, 2009. Then if you want and a Paul Tevia Quay, and so by from 2009, and so on is NDC and appointed 2009 May 16 to February 2013. If you want and a Mohammed Al-Hassan, so by if you Mohammed Al-Hassan, the other one John Kudalo, so by from 2016 to 2017. Then David Asante appear too. So by then from there no any James Opon Bueno. Then from James Opon Bueno there came Dr. George Okufu Dampare. But in any case, what has transpired
Akoma FM 87.9
office. What the intent of that police officers no. No. I'm told say the third time remember.
Yeah.
And I record you. The fourth time. And I'm calling. Go can say Kobe Assam no I think Parliament Asante Committee.
Yeah, Parliamentary Committee.
Parliamentary Committee. Panel no is to investigate both the authenticity of the leak tape and again find out as to whether the allegations captured needs well to be attended to. Kofi, minim content no bebre and a fake rana panel no so show my eye. Afa now panel no share omo investigation in eye as men come bebre because what I may say here may either be true or no may not be true. But before you say, baby, a part, baby, a Ghana, edu to say no. Media, me who how IGP, ebeti me abua,
FM 87.9
political party, I win the election. Kobe, unless maybe you prove me wrong. And a dear, Nima Bena, IGP, ebeti me aye, I'm a political party be. I win the election.
I don't know. Apart
because
unnecessary arresting people to create chaos at be a strongholds. Apart from that, they be.
Oh, and dear my bobo in no. Bo, Jabatua Baby, now a new political party, President Biare, Abba, Obano, also the IGP. Abba. It goes on and do I ask myself, say, in the year 2016,
87.9
IGP no then was not appointed by MPP, we were. Now he was appointed by NDC, we were.
Yeah.
But it didn't see. We won the election. Patriotic American say. It's no media, yeah, now emphasis no, and you want to make sure. I say, you can say, when you are going to the boxing room, take your own what referee, we were. No.
Abonato
form. Oh, it's elections are won at the polling
but
station.
I think in the conclusion of my discussion, and I would want to add up, say, I don't know, push you for. Your time now, so, but I don't push you for, say, police for Nankasa, and elected on my G.
Kofi, we have
called for Article 200, 201, 202, 204. That is chapter 15 of the Constitution.
We have called for constitutional amendments.
Yes.
We have moved away from that discussion. And you see, this discussion is not about the president who wants to influence the conduct of an election through an IGP. No.
Yeah. Within the
president
police,
is not part of.
It's not part of our plot.
The president is
and
not
a party being a part, but
party as MPP so part of the plot.
But police
for now. Woman no visa or MPP ni no nim se o bibia obetimi di ayama MPP no afa kweti kwan so dia winning elections. So you can't blame the president because he's the appointing authority. So you can't blame him for it. What I say, and I'll never try to do that. But I'm saying that every police officer in uniform or tuaba and one tuama MPP or two NDC. But we shall end there. In your conduct, be a professional.
Okay.
Maybe you are a police.
Okay.
Maybe you are a police. What I mean, sure say, me it should not be. Let him be a professional. That's what we are saying. So if the people in their conduct have exhibited that they are not professional, get them out of the service.
Thank you, Francois.
Nobody is blaming the government.
If
the panel would surely do a very good work.
Of course.
And they will come out with their findings and recommendations.
He's a true winner.
Showdown election.
Only winning. Oh, yeah, analysis. I better than more than 8%. And I'm cast about we have been 85%. The Nipo Baz will be 92. I debate Ekatri is only about 72. If we are CM, 1 way 70. Baby, a projection being where by can Japan try 8%. And we'll go do 14.6. So, in real sense, who is the winner? Headquarters. That is where the creme de la creme of MPP for Nokoto, but Baumia could not get half of the votes there.
And that is serious.
At the headquarters, national headquarters, where you half. And look at the figure that Canada, Japan, now, yes, what them na penny beer did Empanasa, baby, and penny for Panukosia, when you am penny for Maku, 32. So when the guy says he's going to give you a showdown, expect a mega showdown.